At this point, you should have a pretty solid idea of what supply chain management is. With that in mind, we can start to look at how smart contracts can help improve them. In this video, we'll look at 3 key ways that a smart contract can improve supply chain management: transparency, traceability, and efficiency. First, the blockchain's open and shared information allows both businesses and consumers to better track and monitor information about their goods and services. For example, a term known as farm to table describes the ability for smart contract solutions to track the quality of food and reliability of those who handled it. We can use the blockchain to collect data from the time it is grown through the supply chain and up until the time it reaches your home. This gives you the ability to ensure that the food you eat is safe and coming from reliable sources. This same idea can be applied to goods, services, credentials, and digital products. This transparency allows you to have more confidence in the legitimacy of the goods you purchase. This transparency forces companies to make decisions that favor the consumer rather than cutting costs in places that might negatively affect the products they sell. In a way, this helps level the playing field for suppliers that are putting in the time and energy to ensure a quality product. On top of transparency, smart contracts can improve the traceability of products in the supply chain. Using smart contracts, you can choose any number of steps that you'd like to track, program contracts for them, and then get accurate information about the product as it travels through the supply chain. This can also be done by including smart sensors connected to these contracts that can give you lots of interesting data about the product quality and its journey. For example, if you order meat, a smart sensor could check how long it was in a truck during shipment, whether it was stored at the correct temperature, or if it's coming from areas with known problems with their meat at the time. This unique ability to trace the origin of each product becomes a valuable tool in cases where a recall is needed. As a quick note, the original point of origin is known as provenance. You'll probably start hearing provenance come up pretty often in this space. And finally, supply chain management is focused on efficiency. By programming smart contracts, we can help answer questions like how fast a process is or how much it costs. Smart contracts can be written to help automate some types of negotiations. They can handle the back and forth that companies may normally go through when working with their contractual obligations. They also give companies access to a shared database that they can use to help verify the accuracy of their records. This helps save time, cuts costs, and accelerates the creation and delivery of goods and services by the companies involved. That wraps up a quick overview of how smart contracts can be used to help improve supply chain management. It's a way to automate trust between companies, suppliers, and customers, and opens up a whole new range of possibilities for making a more efficient and cost-effective business solution.